Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Yafido light emitted diode ceiling light. Ultra slim baby. 18 watt power, 1620 lumen. Here it comes. Ooh, UFO style LED panel. They are available in white, yellow, and cold white. We have here a modern design. This ceiling light with modern white frame, suitable ultra slim ceiling light with a diameter of 180 to 25 millimeter. No noise, soft light, and easy installation, and reliable quality. Flicker-free and comfortable warm large area lighting for our home, while at the same time energy-saving property is no worry about flashing. The CRI is more than 80 for vivid colors and full brightness. Right after switching on, it creates a pleasant room feeling. And energy saving. This LED ceiling light saves 80% electricity external constant power supply. 100 times of 2838 LED chips with 1620 lumens and 3000 Kelvin brings us a light transmission. The LED lamp has a long service life for more than 20,000 hours. And I care of it. Really cool. This ceiling light brings us the most natural light, and with the light transmission of PMMA lampshade and the Ra80 LED light, it can protect our eyes from bright light and glare. And we have a wide range of applications. It's perfect for wall, for ceiling, for the hotel, for the office, for at home, etc. It creates a stylish and welcome atmosphere wherever we install it. We have two lines there, and we have one hub and one light. And we slide our light from the hub out of it, and then we have to connect these two lines to our power supply. The power supply comes with an L line and N line. The L line is the brown one. The L line can be black at home, for example, and the blue is the neutral. If we connect each other this together, we can tighten the hub easily. This is easy because it's only two screws. And after this, we can slide the LED ceiling light into position. That it is. After this, we switch on the light and it will be work. And after this, we can save 80% on our electrical bills by replacing a conventional 120 watt bulb with this 18 watt LED ceiling. This LED ceiling light is very durable and lights up for a long time. The long service life reduces the frequency and cost of changes the lamp. And we have no flicker and glare free. The high quality constant current driver ensures a stable operation of the LED beads under contact currents so that the light does not flicker and does not harm our eyes. The milky white housing creates a rather diffuse lighting that is not brighter or glare. Modern, simple design for different light styles. And CRR. The CRI is 80 plus. That means high color rendering. With a CRI 80 plus rating, this LED ceiling light gives the light a more accurate insight into the real and original colors of the object, and ensures that the illuminated environment appears in rich, vibrant colors. And we can attach this on ceiling lights, balconies, ceiling lights for bedroom, kitchen ceiling lights. Where we need it, we can install it. And Yafido has more ceiling lights on the market. Not only here the 18 centimeter model, it's always possible to get it in 15 centimeter diameter or 33 centimeters or 30 in a round shape. It's also available in a cube shade from 15, 18, 23 and 30 centimeter. We enter the main supply switched off. Then we drill two 5mm holes and knock two wide expansion tubes providing into the holes. If we go into wood, you does not need them. We connect the main supply wires. We fix the mounting base to the ceiling. We slide the light into the base, and then we can switch it on and have a nice light with that ceiling light here. This is the Yafido light emitted diode ceiling light. It's really ultra slim. It comes with 18-watt power, 1620 lumen. It's an unidentified flight object, an UFO, and it is an LED panel. Energy class E. It is really cool and nice for my patio. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.